Thinking of getting your hands on a shiny new tablet but not sure whether to wait for the next big thing? In today's video, we're diving into reasons why you should wait for the iPad mini 7 and, well, reasons why you probably shouldn't. Stick around because if you're torn between getting an iPad mini 6 now or holding out for the iPad mini 7, this might just save you from some serious buyer's remorse. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. All right, let's set the stage real quick. If you've been eyeing Apple's tablet lineup, you know it can be tough to choose. From the powerhouse iPad Pro to the sleek iPad Air and even the more affordable base model, there's something for everyone. But the iPad mini, that's where things get interesting, especially for those of us who love portability. Currently, the iPad mini 6 is the star of the show, but rumor has it the iPad mini 7 is just around the corner. So should you wait, or is it time to pick something else? Let's break it down. First up, we've got timing. The iPad mini 7 didn't make a splash at Apple's September event. But don't worry, rumors are swirling that we could see a launch as soon as October. And here's a fun fact. The iPad mini 6 has been disappearing from Apple stores recently, which is a huge clue that the mini 7 is on its way. So if you're patient, waiting a few more weeks could pay off. But hey, no pressure. I mean, what's another month, right? Okay, here's where things get exciting. The iPad mini 7 is expected to get a brand new processor, and I'm not just talking about a little tweak here and there. Rumor has it that it could jump from the A15 chip, the same one in the iPhone 13, all the way to the A17 Pro or A18 Bionic chip. Now this would mean faster speeds, better battery life, and smoother multitasking, basically turning your iPad mini into a pocket-sized powerhouse. Who wouldn't want that, right? Here's one for the budget conscious. The iPad mini has always been a more affordable option in Apple's lineup. And even though the iPad mini 6 is still a solid buy, it's starting to show its age. It came out way back in 2021. When the iPad mini 7 drops, it'll likely be cheaper than the iPad Pro or iPad Air, giving you cutting-edge tech without burning a hole in your wallet. So waiting might save you some cash and get you the latest features. Do you love taking photos or FaceTiming with your tablet? Well, you might want to hold off on buying anything just yet, because we're hearing whispers of camera improvements for the iPad mini 7 inches. Now the exact details are still hush-hush, but hey, better cameras are always a win, right? Can we take a second to appreciate the irony here? Apple says, think different. But here we are, thinking the same every year. Should I buy now or wait? I mean, Apple is the king of making us wait, but we keep coming back, right? Rumor has it, the iPad mini 7 might also come with a new modem, which means better connectivity for all of us who are always on the go. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or jumping on a Zoom call, faster and more reliable internet is something we can all get behind. No more awkward buffering during that crucial moment in your favorite series. Waiting for the iPad mini 7 could also mean you get a tablet that's future-proofed for years to come, newer software updates, longer-lasting hardware, and support for all the latest apps. Who wouldn't want that? And finally, let's not forget why people love the iPad mini in the first place. It's small, it's portable, and it's just the right size for travel or couch surfing. If you're holding out for the latest and greatest in this ultra-portable size, the iPad mini 7 could be worth the wait. But okay, let's flip the script a little because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are the reasons you might just want to skip the wait and grab the iPad mini 6 or even another tablet. Yes, the iPad mini 6 might be last year's model, but it's still a beast. If you need a tablet right now, this one has solid performance, a good display, and it's way better than waiting around forever for the next model. Rumor has it that the iPad mini 7 isn't getting a big design overhaul. If you're hoping for a massive new look, you might be disappointed. It will keep 60 Hz display, no OLED and no 120 Hz display are common. It's expected to have a similar form factor, so if you're just looking for a fresh design, well, don't hold your breath. We talked about affordability, but here's the thing. Apple isn't known for keeping things cheap. There's no guarantee that the iPad mini 7 will stick to the same pricing as the mini 6, and you might end up paying a premium for those shiny new features. So, if you find a deal on the mini 6, it might be worth grabbing. And lastly, there are plenty of other tablets out there. If you're not married to the idea of an iPad, check out some of the other options from Samsung, Microsoft, or even other Apple models. You might find something that fits your needs right now. So, there you have it. Reasons to wait for the iPad mini 7 and reasons not to. Now we want to hear from you. What's your move? Will you wait for the new iPad mini, or are you hitting that add to cart button right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an Apple update. Catch you in the next one. Peace.